Summer solstice is the longest day of the year, and you should be outside. So here are some easy, delicious solstice snacks that you can serve your neighbor when you have them over. This combo of sugar and water is called simple syrup. Simple because it's equal parts sugar and water, and I need it for my sangria. Make some extra for that midnight cocktail. Citrus, round like the sun. Removing all the pith, but not the fruit. Slide the knife down the membrane and then gently up the other side for a perfect segment. Syrup. Verde. But if you don't have any, bubbly Prosecco will do just fine. Important to let your sangria muddle and sit so that all the flavors blend together. Good thing it's the longest day. You know that new neighbor who just moved down the street? Now is the right time to invite them over for summer solstice snacks and drinks. How about a scallop or a giant shrimp with your cocktail, huh? I feel like dancing.
Ain't got nothing to lose. Everything feels new whenever I'm with you. Whenever I'm with you.
Don't think peaches or avo on the grill, but heat is a flavor booster, and look at that color. Yeah. Shrimp or scallop with your cocktail, anyone? Fruity white sangria. Nothing says summer solstice more than that. What a great way to celebrate the solstice. Grilled treats, fruity, refreshing white sangria. Now this is my idea of a long and lovely day.